Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome to lecture number 3. Today we're gonna learn some basic things like doc type and also how can you create your HTML5 file. Creating HTML5 file is similar to the while working on HTML4. Okay, let me create it. Okay, now I am going to create a folder in the XAMPP and this is the htdocs. I'm going to create HTML5. So this is the HTML5 folder I have just created. We are going to create or keep all our files in these folders. Okay, now I'm going to create a new file. Control S. Now I'm going to select the C drive because we have just created the HTML5 folder in the htdocs. So this is XAMPP and htdocs. So as you can see, this is HTML5, this is the HTML5. Okay, now here I'm saying index.html. Make sure you have to use the dot extension HTML5. It's similar to the HTML4. You can also check from here. So this is the HTML5. Let me find. Okay, I'm just writing here HTML5. Okay, save it. Now as you can see, this is the HTML5 syntax. If I'm writing this HTML and I'm closing this, now if I start the head tag and I am closing the head tag, and this is the body, you know very well. Okay, now if I write x1 here and I'm saying welcome in HTML5. Okay, now how can you run this? So go to your folder. You have just created this index.html file. Double click this. So you can see it's showing you the welcome message. So in this way you can create your HTML file. Make sure I consider that you have the basic knowledge of HTML. If you are learning HTML5, if you are not familiar with HTML, go to the Google and just find HTML course, because we have designed the basic HTML course with CSS and also available on the internet. Okay, now so this is the way to create the file, but you have to write at the top of the code. So how can you write the doc type? So I'm saying this sign and now doc type. Now I'm saying HTML. Okay, another thing is you have to write the meta character set. Okay, in the header section you have to write the meta, and here character set equals to, make sure UTF capitals, and now it. Okay, so here in the header tag you always embed your meta tag. So this is the meta tag. We also have the meta keyword, meta descriptions, and also the meta title. We'll discuss about in a later lecture, but for now this is the meta, and this is the doc type. Make sure this is not the tag. This is for the browser. Okay, now go to the page, refresh the page. So you can see it's now working fine. So if you right click, view page source. So this is the doc type, and once you execute this file on the server or on the browser, your browser knows that this is the HTML5 syntax. So I think this is enough for today. In the next session we are going to cover some other things. So thank you for watching.